So recently, this little website over here has become one of the most popular ways that you can make money online for multiple reasons. The first being is that you could literally be a lazy 12-year-old and still make money off of this because of how simple it is. The second reason being exactly that, how simple it is to make money. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, I'm sure you've already heard of WHOP, especially WHOP clipping, but just in case you don't know how it works, the way it is pretty much your favorite creators will post campaigns on their creator rewards section where they will pretty much pay you a certain amount per 1,000 views for the clips that you post for them. Like you can see here, Ambro clips, Rob clips. To be honest with you, I don't even know who any of these guys are, but you can see Fiji Water over here. These guys all benefit from this as well because in the end of the day, this is exactly how they go viral. People will post their clips for them, getting them more traction. So if they're selling a product, this helps them get more sales. So it's a win-win for both parties. And the third reason why this is so good right now is because you don't need to be monetized. You can see some of these creators allow you to post on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Now, in most cases where it comes to clipping, like if you're going to post on Creator Rewards program on TikTok or YouTube Shorts on YouTube, you need to be monetized. You need to have either 1,000 subs or 10,000 followers on TikTok before you actually start making money. But in this situation, the reason why it's so good is because you can literally make an account right now. You can make a brand new YouTube channel, a brand new TikTok, and your first video you can get paid from it. Because you're not getting paid from YouTube or TikTok. You're getting paid from them. So trust me, if you're not taking advantage of this right now, then you really are missing out. Now, what I'm going to show you in this video is how you're going to be able to take advantage of AI and pump out 60 videos a day using this one simple trick. Now, usually when it comes to posting content online, I would always say, prioritize quality over quantity. But that would mostly go for long form content. For long form content, you want to make sure the video is as good as possible because sometimes it's harder for the algorithm to push out long form content. For short form content, you can have like a half decent video and still get 1,000 views. And in this case, 1,000 views is pretty much like the minimum that you need to actually get paid. So if you have the option to dish out 60 videos, you'll have a higher chance of making money than somebody who's dishing out one video per day. The very first thing we have to do is pick exactly who we want to start clipping for. So the way you do that, you head over to WHOP and then you click on the Discover section over here and then you click on See All Content Rewards. And just to see exactly who's been paying out the most, click on Most Paid Out on the right hand side. Now keep in mind, what I will tell you is sometimes some of the campaigns on here are actually scams. Not all of them, but the way you figure out if something is a scam, just click on whichever campaign you want to look at and then go onto their chat and read their chat. See if anybody is having issues with getting their videos submitted and actually getting paid from their videos. If you see a bunch of people saying like, oh, can you please accept my submission? Or when will I get paid out? And it's been like a couple weeks with no response. Just be careful with that campaign. Most likely a scam. But from what I've seen, all the people that you usually know, like you've seen already on TikTok, like Ahmed Mahmoud over here. Ahmed Mahmoud I've already seen a bunch of times on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. So I've got no reason to think that he's a scam. TJR, Breast Scales, all the people that you already kind of know, most likely isn't a scam. But if it's some like random person posting on there with like a payout of like $10,000 and everybody's commenting like, oh, when will I get paid out? Probably a scam. So just be careful with that. It is kind of trial and error to figure out exactly which campaign will be the best. Now the way you do apply for campaigns, like I showed you, click on See All Contents. Some people like Breast Skills will ask you to apply now. Some other people, like you can just quickly join right away. Some people have a wait list. It really all depends. If somebody has a wait list, you just apply for the wait list. Usually it takes like a day or two to get accepted. Once you're accepted, you have access to everything. Now, once you have access to everything, when you're going to be inside their content rewards, Ahmed Mahmoud just actually restarted his campaign right here. So he's only paid out $77. His I know is legit because I've seen his other campaigns. He did fully pay out everything and then he restarts it because I'm pretty sure it is kind of helping him in the end of the day. Now, some people will have requirements, like you just got to show him in the video. Don't make him look bad. Very simple stuff. None of this stuff is really complicated at all. And the way you get their clips is very simple. Some people will have their assets linked over here. Most of the time it's like a YouTube channel. Sometimes it's even a Google Drive that you can take, which has a bunch of videos in it already that you can start clipping instantly. In this case, it's going to be a YouTube channel. So it'll take us directly to his YouTube channel where we can see all the videos that he has and we can start clipping these videos directly. Now, the best way to do is to either pick their most recent videos or head over to their popular videos and start clipping the most popular videos that they have, because obviously we know these videos have already gone viral on YouTube. Now, the way we're going to clip up the videos is by using this website called Submagic. Remember, we want to do this as easily and efficiently as possible, and we want to dish out as many videos as possible. So we don't want to go download the video, clip it up ourselves. That would take a lot of time. If we use AI to clip up the videos for us, that saves us a lot of time. We could then use that time to continue clipping up more videos. And then you could even have like up to 80 or 100 videos a day, which, by the way, when I say 60 videos, it's more like 20 videos, but because you're posting on 3 platforms, that's 60 videos. You're posting on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. So it's one video on 3 platforms, which like triples your chances of actually going viral. Now, the way you clip up the videos, go back to the YouTube channel, find whichever video you want. For this example, I used this video. So you copy the URL of this video, you go back to Submagic, you click on Magic Clips, and then you paste the URL right here. Or if the person that you're clipping has a Google Drive, you can just download the Google Drive and pretty much upload it over here, and it'll start clipping up that Google Drive. Now the cool thing about Submagic is that it actually gives you like a score of how well it thinks the video will do. Now this video is 95 out of 100, so Submagic thinks that this video is going to do fairly decent once you actually post it. The way it works is it takes the long form of the video, it finds all of the cool clips inside of the video, and it makes it into like a, like under 60-second video. Now here we have 24 videos. Usually it takes Submagic about 20 minutes to actually clip up the video. That's why I clipped this up before recording this video. I don't want to sit here for 20 minutes staring at the screen. The nice thing is it automatically makes all the captions for you, so you don't have to even worry about that. And it does it very nicely as well. Like it adds all the emojis, so that's pretty nice. The other cool thing is in the beginning, as you can see, there's like a bit of a hook. I didn't make that myself. It has a hook title feature where it uses AI to make a hook for you. If you're very good at making hooks, you can alter this yourself, but it does give you a pretty nice baseline that you can work off of. Now with Submagic, you do get one free video that you can clip up into short form content. The only thing is that obviously it does have a watermark. I'll be honest with you, some people on WHOP don't want any watermarks on their video. So if you're using something like Submagic, they don't want the Submagic watermark. For the one that I'm doing right now, it doesn't really say anything about watermark, so that's fine. But in the end of the day, your first video is just for you kind of testing it out. In the description and the pinned comment, and I'll also give you guys a code that you can actually use to get an extra 10% off, so you don't have to worry about the Submagic watermark, and you won't have to worry about a max limit of one video. You'll be able to make as many videos as you want without any watermark. It is worth it though, because if you think about it, 60 videos per day, if each video gets just the minimum view requirement, which is 1,000 views, and if you're on like, from what I've seen, the average is about $1 per 1,000 views. Some people are a little bit lower, but usually the people that are lower are easier to go viral, so it doesn't even really matter all that much. The people that are harder to go viral, they're paying you even more, sometimes up to $3 per 1,000 views. But let's just say $1 per 1,000 views. On short form content, like I told you, from my experience on YouTube, it's very easy to get 1,000 views. Even on dead channels, I was getting 1,000 views. Obviously on YouTube, RPM is a lot different, so I wasn't really making much money off of it. But for something like this, where it's $1 per 1,000 views, 60 videos, which is very good for something that would take you no more than 1 hour per day to do. The other cool feature that Submagic has also is you can remove silences. So in a video, so if you're clipping up a video and the person just went silent for like 20 seconds and he didn't say a word, but that portion of the clip is very nice, you can just click remove silences and automatically removes any silences in between when they're talking. I actually need that for my videos, because if you see the raw footage of my videos, I'll be talking and then I'll just stop talking out of nowhere, because I don't really write scripts for these videos. Everything I just say it off the top of my head. So I'll stop talking for a bit and then I'll go back to talking and I'll stop talking. So I really do need this for my videos. But yeah, once you've gone through all the clips, you just skim through them, see if there's any mistakes. Sometimes with the captions. Every AI caption generator will have always some form of issues, so just fix them up a little bit, and then you're going to start posting them. Remember, like I said, you can make a brand new YouTube channel and start posting on it instantly, but if you want to increase your chances of going viral, do TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, if the creator obviously allows it. Sometimes there will be a requirement for some creators where they'll ask you to put a watermark of their name on the video, and it has to be visible from start to finish. It's completely fine. If you're posting on TikTok, you could easily just edit the video right before you're posting it and add it. I'm pretty sure on Instagram's the same as well. On YouTube, if you're posting a short, I'm pretty sure you can add like a little text and just, like decrease the transparency a little bit. Or you can just go on CapCuts and quickly edit it before posting the video. That would take you no more than like 30 seconds to do. It's very simple. And then once you have your video posted, all you do is you click on submit over here and you put the link of the video and you upload it over here. And that's how you're going to be able to actually get paid for the video. Make sure you do this as soon as you post a video. So literally, as soon as I posted a video on YouTube, I would then take the link and submit it onto here, because you don't want the video to start getting views before it's submitted. Any views you get on the video before you've actually submitted it over to WHOP, you will not get paid for. So as soon as you post, go and submit it. One last time, quick rundown how you're going to do this. WHOP.com, find a creator, find multiple creators if you want. If you have a lot of time on your hands and you just want to dish out as many videos as possible, you'll end up making a lot more money, obviously, which is better for you. Pick the creator that you want, head over to Submagic, post the link of the video that you want to clip up. You'll get a bunch of videos, make TikTok, Instagram, YouTube accounts, post all the videos, and once the views are coming in, then the money will come in as well. It's that simple. I hope you guys do try this out. I hope you guys learned something from this video as well. If you guys did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.